Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We had some major news come out from American Airlines that could possibly even delay when a big move to the upside could happen. But today we had a very nice move to the upside, going back over $11 and back into the zone we think American Airlines is going to explode from. So before I begin, I would appreciate it if you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you like the video, that would be amazing. I am trying to get monetized on YouTube, so that helps way more than you think. With that being said, basically what's going on here with American Airlines is we've been buying shares all the way since, mid-May, something like that. And we're trying to target an $11 average, which means we were down here when it went to, I mean, obviously we were down, but we were down from like 1150 or so when it dropped all the way down here to 1050, which was great. I got to buy many shares. We now have about 200 shares total of American Airlines. So with this massive move up, it really helps because we now have about an $11 average with all shares combined. So it's actually looking really good. Now, I did mention one thing, and that was that this move to the upside, and by that I mean, like a 50% move up, could be a little bit delayed. So I'm going to explain that, but also we've got some price targets up here we're going to take a look at that actually look really good, and it further proves the point of American Airlines being probably the best buy in the stock market right now. So it's been on a decline, of course, from its recent highs. It was all the way up here at almost $20 very recently, came down in November. We bought that dip, it did very well. Now we're buying the dip again. So, a couple things to look at here. Number one, it hit the 52-week low, but what is the major delay that I was talking about? Well, their earnings got pushed back 9 days, so all the way to the 25th, when it should have been on the 18th. Not sure why they did that. I really don't know. It might be that the 18th was just a placeholder, like a general idea, and they're actually deciding on the 25th. But if we come down to their EPS, it looks just as good. We're expecting a massive move. Nothing changed there, so analysts are still very bullish. Now, what I really like about today's move is that it shows that hedge funds and insiders are buying before earnings, which is really good. We got back into the zone we're going long from, of course, but it shows that there is some presence, at least, that is going to be buying up this stock while it's low. Hopefully that means earnings is going to come out very well. So Delta Airlines got released. Let's look at those real quick. And then I want to look at the price targets. Oh, that's going to be ticker symbol DAL, right? Instead of Delta. Those did not go well. Delta earnings, it went down like 8%. I believe 8% at the worst part. And that's because if we scroll down here, they did have that massive reversal, but they gave, not only did they miss slightly, but they gave very poor earnings outlook, and Boeing is really dragging this sector down. That's going to be ticker symbol BA. Let's take a look at what's going on with Boeing. So they've been in a downtrend on the 4-hour for a while now, but they're being sued again. More problems with their airplanes, all that whistleblower stuff, tons of things going on with Boeing that's really bringing down everything else. So American Airlines price targets, on the other hand, are looking very good. We have the low for the next 1 to 2 years is going to be $10. So it's really good that we got some shares filled down here at $10 because that's pretty much the lowest analysts expect it to go down. Now, there is high option volatility on this upcoming earnings. Could be up to 8% of a move, which would send it below $10 if it falls back down before that. But then we've got things like the median at 16.25, high at 21, absolutely amazing. So don't expect it to hit 21 within a year, absolutely within 2 years, for sure. I would be surprised if it didn't. And that's why we're targeting such a low average on this stock. Median of 16.25, I think that's realistic. I'm shooting for maybe $15, maybe 14.50 even, which is still huge compared to where the price is now, and it will absolutely hit that within a year. So I'm buying up this stock. I hope you guys are too. If you want access to all of my trades live as I take them, so that's like my entries where I'm looking to sell, where I actually do sell, all that good stuff, because things do change as the market moves, of course. Every day is a new day. Every day brings uncalculable volatility. So definitely check out the Discord that's linked in the description because I take all my trades live in there. You can ask for a free trial and you don't even have to pay for anything anyways. You can just DM me at any times. My DMs are always open. So guys, with that being said, please like and subscribe and have a great rest of your day.